Good evening, Mr. Gautam. You are coming from which state?
I am coming from Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Acha. So, which part of Andhra Pradesh are you living?
Actually, I am at present staying in Hyderabad, sir, but I am from Visakhapatnam.
Very good. Yeah. Now, regarding Andhra Pradesh, what are the benefits that are given in the recent budget?
In the recent budget, for the state capital, for the development of state capital, a 15,000 crore grant is given, sir.
Excellent.
And for the
50,000 crore or
15,000,
1,500 crore?
15,000.
15,000 crore. Very
And for
good.
the completion of Polavaram project, the center has taken, they have taken the charge, sir.
Good. Excellent. Very good. Now, can you please tell us about yourself?
Sir, actually, I am now presently working in State Bank of India as an assistant manager, sir.
Oh,
Earlier, I
great.
worked in IDPA Bank, sir.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Very happy. Oh, Mr. What is your name? Mr.
Gautam.
Gautam. Very happy, Gautam. Please tell us about yourself.
Sir, at present I am working in State Bank, sir. Earlier I worked in IDBI Bank. I worked in the profiles like branch manager and for Forex officer and a relationship manager, sir. I have total experience of around 12 years, sir.
Now, why do you want to go to Punjab National Bank or you
As
are going to Bank of Maharashtra?
no, sir, I am going for State Bank of India Forex officer, sir.
Oh, sorry. Thank God. It's good that you told me. Otherwise, I would have asked some silly questions to you. Good.
Yes,
You are going for a Forex officer.
yes, sir.
Is this second interview for you? First
This
interview.
is the second interview, sir. Earlier, first one was done.
Acha, that I understand. That was really good. Now, um, now can you please tell me in which sections of foreign exchange department have you worked at?
Sir, I was handling imports and exports, sir, and other inward and outward remittances and buyer's credit.
Acha,
Yes.
which commodities were imported?
Actually, our major client was Vizag Steel Plant, sir. Most of their imports were pertaining to coal, sir.
Very good. The coal was imported from which country?
Mostly from Australia, sir. They used to import from Australia and use it for regular operations, sir.
The payment was made in which currency?
Mostly in US dollars, sir.
Very good. So, which was your state bank's um, correspondent bank account in US or
Actually, I
Australia?
handled in IDPI Bank, sir. Our Nostra account was in Wells Fargo Bank.
Acha, acha. Good, good, good. Now that is correct. Now tell me, why are we importing coal, Baba? Why are we importing coal? Why can't we get it from our country itself? What is the problem?
Actually, the major reason, sir, they want to. Actually, Vizag Steel Plant is very famous for the steel it is producing, sir. So for the quality of steel they require, they want to import coal from Australia, sir.
Hmm.
And for local also they are importing, but majority is from Australia, and the type of coal is bituminous coal. I hardly remember, sir.
Hmm. So that is suitable for
For
this
the production of
boiler.
quality of yes, sir.
Boiler. Yeah. Very good. Very good. So now, under the foreign exchange, what are the responsibilities a foreign exchange officer has to perform?
Sir. The foreign exchange actually the first major priority is handling the forex currency, sir, and
Hmm.
also doing imports and exports.
Hmm. Now, how is the bank making profit while dealing in foreign exchange?
Actually, the live rates are different from the rates which the bank is quoting. There is some margin in every dollar they're selling and buying, sir.
Hmm.
Most of they are making in as a commission, sir.
Hmm.
most of the income bank is generating through commission by selling and buying the dollars
Good.
or other foreign currency.
What is your exposure to export finance?
Sir, we did very less work in as an export, sir, but major of our exports are seafood, sir.
Acha,
Seafood
seafood.
and
Seafood to which country?
seafood to Germany and European countries, sir. Because Visakhapatnam is a good production of seafood, sir.
What type of assistance will exporter expect from you?
Actually, the government is providing some incentives for export, sir.
Mm,
Like waiving of the customs duty, providing some export incentives, sir.
mm. Now,
Encouraging
uh,
them.
now what they will expect from you as a banker?
As a banker, they expect us to deal with the documents fairly, sir.
No, but you have to tell about the packing credit facilities they may expect,
Yes, sir.
and
Pre-shipment
accordingly,
credit.
pre-shipment credit. So what is the type of post-shipment facility they will expect from us?
Sir, post-shipment, actually, most of the people require warehouse, storing their goods in the warehouse. And
Mm.
sometimes it's like buyer's credit and letter of credit, sir.
No. Storing in warehouse is pre-shipment, not post-shipment.
And like post-shipment is buyer's credit, sir.
What is buyer's credit? Can you explain about it?
Buyer's credit is a short-term loan availed by the exporter, sir. Actually, sorry, sir, it is availed by the importer
Mm,
for a short-term period, not more than 180 days.
mm. Okay. Now I think import realization can be done within 9 months, not 6 months.
Yes, sir.
Previously it was 6 months. I think now you please check up. Yeah, I think it is
Okay.
told now it is 9 months. You are in export import section nowadays also or not?
No, sir. I'm in retail branch, sir.
Oh, that is the reason you are lost touch with it. Correct. Now, please tell me, what do you understand by duty drawback?
Duty drawback. Actually, duty drawback is something, sir, when a person imports some material which is used to export the same thing, sir. If a person want to export something and he purchases some foreign from import, some material from imports through imports. So government provides some duty drawbacks, sir, like concessions.
No. Duty drawback is a trusted and time-tested scheme administered by CBIC to promote exports. It rebates the incidence of what you told earlier, customs and central excise duties chargeable on imported and excisable material, respectively, when used as inputs. Good. What you told is right. Good. What you told appears to be 100% correct. Why don't you read this once again? Duty drawback. Please read.
Sir, duty drawback is a trusted and time-tested scheme administered by CBSE to promote exports. It rebates the incident of customs and central excise duties chargeable on imports and excisable materials when used as inputs for goods to be exported.
Super. Good answer. Now, why do exporters need a duty drawback scheme? Please read. Exporters.
Exporters often face challenges related to working capital. The duty drawback scheme ensures the exporters receive timely refunds, improving their cash flows and enable them to invest in business operations and expansion. The scheme encourages diversification of export products by providing different drawback rates for various goods.
Good. Excellent. So I think you have managed this question very well. Now, next question for you. Um, who is the Minister of Foreign Affairs in our country now?
Is Mr. Rajnath Singh, sir.
Good. Can you tell me what is your contribution to import-export work in your bank? Uh, how long did you work in that section?
I worked for 2 years, sir, in foreign exchange department, sir. And
Mm,
mostly we handled pre-shipment and post-shipment finances, sir.
mm,
And first one was like LCs,
mm.
and pertaining to LC was buyer's credit, and others was bank guarantees, sir. And other inward-outward remittances pertaining to LRS.
What is standby letter of credit?
The standby letter of credit is a type of letter of credit, but it is mostly a guarantee, sir. That in case the importer does not pay, the banker provides guarantee to pay to the exporters.
Standby letter of credit.
It is like a performance guarantee only.
I will show you. Please see. Please read what is standby letter of credit process flow. Please read.
Standby letter of credit is a type of letter of credit where issuing bank commits to pay the beneficiary if the applicant fails to make the payment.
Super. You told the definition superbly well. Excellent, excellent. Financial standby letter of credit, performance standby letter of credit, then advance payment standby letter of credit, bid bond tender SBLC, counter SBLC. What is this? Also known as a backstop, the protective standby. Counter SBLC is a type of LC issued by a bank in one country to a bank in another country, asking them to issue a new standby LC. Direct pay standby. I am giving this link in our WhatsApp group.
Sure, sir.
If necessary, please make use of it. Okay, good.
Definitely.
You answered that question very well. I am happy.
Thank you.
Can you tell me what are your strengths? Why should I select you?
Sir, my strength is actually I was working in very many departments, sir, like foreign exchange, relationship manager, branch manager. My every new assignment was entirely different from the earlier one, sir. But due to my quick learning abilities, I was able to make up in every department and get good results.
Hmm. Good. Now you are going for SBI scale 2 only, na?
Yes, sir.
How many years service you have put in SBI as scale 1?
3 years, sir.
Only 3 years. How many more years will you take for appearing for scale 2 promotion?
It is around next year I will be eligible as per scale 2.
So mostly you will be promoted. You will be
Yes, sir.
selected. No problem about it. Now, please tell me something about import-export code.
Sir, actually, import-export code is a 10-digit number provided by the Director General of Foreign Trade, sir, DGFT. It is
Okay.
actually used when the importers is importing some material. This IAC code is very much mandatory, sir, when someone deals with trade.
Good. Can you talk to me on ECGC for 1 minute, 2 minutes?
Sir, I'm not sure, sir. Actually, I only know about ECGC's Export Credit Guarantee Corporation, sir. But
Why have you not studied about it? See,
I
you
have to
should
go
know about
through.
it because banks are taking whole turnover pre-shipment guarantee, whole turnover post-shipment guarantee,
Yes,
and
sir.
they will have to submit details every month of the disbursements made and pay the premium. In case such an export is not received, the 75% or 80% of that, as per rules, will be paid by ECGC to the bank. It is a very important thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will go
Not
through.
one. Not only that, ECGC is giving export policies to the exporters. That is separate. Every exporter has to have a separate policy wherein he'll be declaring all the exports made by him and pay the premium for that. And in case the payment is not received, ECGC guarantees payment of 75% or depending on the country to the exporter. These things you must know, Baba.
Yes, sir. I will go through again, sir.
Similarly, Exim Bank. What are the different products of Exim Bank and what connection, if any, we have with Exim Bank? Not much of a connection, but just know what are the work done by them. Who is the man in charge in Exim Bank? Who is the man in charge? Sendil Nathan or so in ECGC. All these things you must know.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me what is a bill of lading?
Sir, bill of lading is a proof of shipment, sir, provided by the shipping company. Through bill of lading, the person importer, after receiving the bill of lading, he can claim the rights of the goods, sir.
How many copies are given by for bill of lading?
3 negotiable and 3 non-negotiable.
Acha, good. What is meant by negotiation of bills?
Negotiation, sir, if
Negotiation of bills.
one bank on behalf of the importer or the exporter, one bank deals with the other party and claims the amount, sir, for payment through by sending the documents.
Okay. No, negotiation means your exporter is exporting the goods, you are, and he has already got a LC over which he is exporting. So depending on that LC, you negotiate the bill and send it to the LC opening bank for payment.
Yes, sir.
This will come in case of exports. Okay. What do you understand by use-ons bills?
Usance bills is something which the payment is made after 90 days, sir. Usance bill, but through usance bill, the customer provides the acceptance that he will make the payment on due date and claim the rights of the documents, sir.
In your experience, have you come across MSMEs making exports?
Very few, sir. MSME we did not come across, sir.
Very good. What do you understand by bill of entry?
Bill of entry is the proof that the goods has come into the Indian territory, sir. Bill of
Excellent.
entry is provided by the imports department, sir, excise department.
But can you please talk to me about R returns?
Our returns is the transactions like the every fortnightly we submit to the Reserve Bank of India, sir. Our returns is the transactions done during the period of last fortnight, and we submit the same data to the Reserve Bank of India through our returns, sir.
Can you tell some details about it?
I'm not sure, sir. Our returns I have never done. I will go through again, sir.
I think there are different types of R returns. R1, R2, R3, R4, like that. Maybe depending on the currency. The object of the R return is to collect statistics regarding the exports and imports and payments and receipts, and also to arrive at the foreign exchange reserves.
Okay, sir.
So what is the present foreign exchange reserve of our country?
Foreign exchange is around 670 billion US dollars, sir.
How much? How much?
670 billion US dollars.
Oh, it has increased. It was 662. Perhaps it has increased. Okay, you please check it up. Latest, you please check up and go. Which date is your interview?
30th, sir. Tuesday.
Before going, Monday details, everything you should check up. RBI rates, then BSC rate, National Stock Exchange rate, everything you should check up and then go. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you. You
Thank
did
you,
well.
sir.
You're a married man, na?
I'm married, sir.
What is your wife doing?
She's a housewife, sir.
Good. How many kids do you have?
I have one daughter.
Good. You are answering very, very well. I don't know why there is need for promotion. You can ask, but of course, if you get promotion, you will get posting in foreign exchange related branches, big branches.
Yes, sir.
And you may not be posted to some villages and all. That advantage will be there. And best wishes. And now I want to know, is there any condition that every officer should serve in rural area for 2 years and all, or those norms have been withdrawn now?
No, sir, it is still there, sir. Every year, every officer has to serve minimum 2 years, sir. It is mandatory, sir, in retail banking.
Acha. Supposing one joins a scale 2 directly, then
And when that officer goes to scale 4, then it will be mandatory to again come to rural and serve as a branch manager, sir.
oh,
And
acha.
when
Yeah, especially CBOs and all, many of them are joining scale 1. Of
yes,
course,
sir.
they also should go for 2 years. No.
Yes, sir, definitely. I am working in rural place only, sir, now.
Acha, you joined a CBO.
CBO, yes, sir.
Acha, now please tell me under CBO, what are the exams you have to write periodically like probationary officer? Do you have exams similar to what POs write, or are there no exams for you?
No, sir. We underwent probation for 6 months, sir. After that, we had a confirmation exam,
Mm.
and the passing was 60%, sir. And once we cleared the exam, we got permanent posting, sir.
Are there people who could not score 60% marks?
Till now, no one was there, sir. Everyone cleared the exam.
Excellent. And apart from that, no continuous exams and all.
Just like a role-based exam, sir. Whatever roles we are handling in the branch, we used to appear the exam every once in a year, which is mandatory made by RBI, sir.
Acha, even now you have to appear for exams every year.
Yes, sir. Role-based certifications we have to clear, sir, every year.
Role pay certification. Acha.
Yes, sir.
Every
The
year
person who is
it
handling
is
the
there.
profile, they have,
It is there only in State Bank or in all other banks.
in State Bank it is there, sir. But other banks, maybe we have to clear some IIBF certifications, sir.
Acha, theek hai. Now another doubt from me,
Yes,
for classification of branches,
yes, sir.
what is the norm? For example, when I was serving in banks and all, it used to be a very small figure. If a bank had 15 crore deposit at once, it was called large branch, not large exception, very large branch. Now, what is the scale 4 branch? Now, what is the criteria for that?
Sir, scale 4, the advances should be more than 100 crores, sir.
Deposits?
Deposits also around 100 crores, sir.
No, please check up this. If not today,
Yes.
tomorrow, check up
Okay,
చేసి మాకు ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ పంపించండి.
okay, sir.
పాసిబుల్ హోగాతో ఓ ఓ ఓ సర్కులర్ దట్ పీడిఎఫ్ పంపించండి. ఆ
Yes,
పీడిఎఫ్
sir.
పంపించకూడదంటే మీరు ఒక వాట్సాప్ లో టైప్ చేసి పంపించండి.
Sure, sir.
దట్ ఈస్
Definitely.
స్కేల్ 1 బ్రాంచ్ అంటే ఏమి, స్కేల్ 2 బ్రాంచ్ అంటే ఏమి, స్కేల్ 3, 4, 5, 6 అంటే ఏమి, అది మాకు డీటెయిల్స్ కావాలా. ఎవ్వరూ చెప్పను. నోబడీ ఈజ్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ఇట్.
Actually, now there are no scale 1 branches, sir. Very, very rare, sir. Only FI branches are scale 1 branches, sir.
FI మీన్స్
Financial inclusion branches, sir, which are in very interior parts.
ఓకే, ఓకే, గుడ్.
Yes, sir.
బెస్ట్ విషెస్.
Thank you, sir.
Gautam, I wish you get selected and sent for sweets from India
Thank,
to me here.
definitely, sir. Definitely. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. God bless you. You are smart. Thank you. Bye bye.